How to find your blocked account on Facebook Messenger. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to find your blocked account. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First thing, go to your Messenger and now click on your profile up there and scroll down and click on privacy. You have the second option, which is blocked account. Click on it and they're gonna give you a list of all your blocked account since the beginning till now, and this is it. So this is it guys, hope this video was helpful to you, and if you liked the video don't forget to subscribe and like.